Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So obviously, to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications, and from here we can tap on the settings button. In the settings, scroll all the way down to general management, a little bit up from the bottom, and from here you should find reset options right here, and then you want to select factory data reset. Now this gives you a overview of what this process will remove. So as you can see, we have things. There we go. So as you can see, we have a list of things, and this list is things like Google accounts, system, and app data, settings, downloaded apps. So those first four that I have mentioned, those are the ones that you don't actually need to worry about, just because you can regain them back. But the things that do matter are things like music, photos, and user data. The reason that matters is because probably some of us do keep this stuff locally on the device's storage, like photos and music as an example, if you don't use things like Spotify. I personally have music on my phone. So in your case, if you keep this stuff locally on the storage, some documents, stuff like that, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. If you don't, this data will be completely lost, and well, you won't be able to get it back. So there we go. Now that you're aware, we can now scroll down, and in here you have the option to reset. This does confront you with the screen lock, so in my case it is the pattern. So I'll need to confirm it before I can proceed, and from here I can tap delete all. Apparently I also need to sign out of my Samsung account. It's apparently not enough that I just confirmed the pattern. Anyway, let me just quickly do that apparently. Now apparently it considers itself as signing in instead of signing out, so not exactly sure why. There we go, now I can sign out. Sign out. Oh my goodness, what the F is this? So I signed in so I can then put my password again to sign out. Okay, great, fantastic. Fantastic design. There we go. So I'm now signed out. Great. I can now proceed with the actual process. So there we go. Once we get this annoying part from Samsung out of the way, we can actually begin what we intended to do. So this will now begin, obviously, factory resetting. This should take about like a minute to 2 minutes approximately. And once it's finished, we should then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible on the screen. And as you can see, the process now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.